So where are we now? Lakshmana no. Te vanam pravishanti. Te vanam pravishanti. Tatrapi pravishanti like gacchanti. Kutra pravishanti or kim pravishanti is also the question. Prashnaha kim, like so wherever they are entering, praveshah kutra bhavati tat padam ditiya vibhakti bhavet. Yatha gacchati vanam gacchati vanam pravishanti, not vane, vanam pravishanti. जनाः शोकं कुर्वन्ति रामस्य वियोगात् दशरथः मरणं प्राप्नोति. अत्रापि there are some of you are written viyogena, which is correct. Viyogena is correct, but viyogat is also correct, because if you consider viyoga as the so what is happening with the by viyoga maranam prapnoti. Maranam katham bhavati?
Separated from Rama.
Ramasya viyogat, separate also, but here Panchami Vibhakti is because of it is a karana or a hetu. Hetu is karanam. So whenever it is like karanam, then Panchami Vibhakti can be used, and also Tritiya can be used in some cases. We'll discuss about that later. For now, both are okay.
But it can also, Guruji, it can also be Viyoga also should be all right, right? Yeah.
Viyoga is not that good. See, that so that Viyoga we are thinking like in our other languages, like in that. In Viyoga he goes like that. In Viyoga he dies. So stay away from that. Ramasya Viyogena or Viyogat. So because think of like Maranam Prapnoti. Prapnoti, attaining the death, is not happening within Viyoga. Inside Viyoga. So for now, stick to these like simple questions. Start asking the questions like Kriya Padam. So Kriya is happening. Kriya Padam asti. So who is doing that? Put the Prathama Vibhakti for that. Ask the question Kim. Put the Dvitiya Vibhakti for that. Kena, by what he is doing it. Kena, then put the Tritiya Vibhakti for that. Tasmai Dadati. So this I have circulated, right? That table. Did everyone get the table?
Yes, sir. We got it.
Where did you circulate? Was it only in the WhatsApp?
Yeah, it was on the WhatsApp.
Yeah. And the WhatsApp only.
Oh, okay, not in the email. I think maybe some of you might have missed it, right? It's not in the email.
We got. We are able to see it.
Yeah. So ask those questions which are on the left side. So instead of forming the sentences in a different language and then trying to translate it, ask those questions on the Kriya Padam. So Maranam Prapnoti. Bharatah Shatrughnah cha Matulasya Gruhat Pratyagachatah, that we just discussed. Bharatah Sarvam Vrittantam Janati Saha Dukkhitah Krubdhah cha Bhavati. So here also most of you got it right. Again Dukkhitah, there was some confusion about the form. Prathama Pullinga Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Saha Dukkhitah Krubdhah cha Bhavati. Krudha was the Mula Padam. So here Krudha, Krudha, Krudham. So there will be three forms in three different Visheshanam depending on the Visheshya Padam. Visheshya Padam यदि पुल्लिङ्गम् अस्ति चेत् क्रुद्धः इति पदं भवति, स्त्रीलिङ्गम् अस्ति चेत् क्रुद्धा इति पदं भवति, नपुंसकलिङ्गम् अस्ति चेत् क्रुद्धम् इति पदं भवति, प्रथमाविभक्तिरूपम्। सो अत्र सः इति पदम् अस्ति, सः इति पदस्य विशेषणं भवति दुःखितः तथा क्रुद्धः अपि। सो सः दुःखितः क्रुद्धः च भवति। अनन्तरं भरतः राज्यपदं निराकरोति। सो दिस् इस् आल्सो फैन् एव्रिवेर्। सः परिवारेण सह वनं प्रविशति। सो दिस् all of you got correct. तत्र ते सर्वे रामेण सह मिलन्ति। So no problem there. भवान् एव राजा भवतु इति भरतः रामं प्रार्थयति. So here also one or two of you got it bhavati, but again bhavatu is prarthana. So because bharatah kim karoti, bharatah prarthayati. So prarthana rupam kim bhavatu is better there instead of bhavati. Bhavan eva raja bhavatu iti bharatah ramam prarthayati. Ramah vadati, he bharata aham tu idanim eva vane vasami. So here what I have done, there are संबोधनमपि अस्ति अत्र। संबोधनं कॉलिंग। रामः वदति, किं वदति? हे भरत, हे भरत अहं तु। Now tu is added here for practice again. So note how that tu is being used. हे भरत अहं तु इदानीं वने एव वसामि. So here there was confusion. I am going to unmute Lakshmikant Mahodaya, if any question asked. There is Lakshmikant. Okay. Yeah. Any question, Lakshmikant Mahodaya? So here there may be question like to Vanam. Vanam is what? Vanam, it should not be Vanam here. So no confusion here. Vanam Vasami. I think at least one I saw, I think Vanam. Aham tu idanim Vasami is a Kriya Padam. Vasami means, yeah, living. Where am I living? In the Vanam. In the Vanam. Gaccha is different. Gacchati, pravishati, and also Vrajati. Vrajati is also like Gacchati, Samanam. Vrajati means Gachateva. So because Vrajati is Gacchati, so here also it becomes Vanam Vrajati, means Vanam Gacchati, not Vane Vrajati. Vanam Gacchati, like Gacchati. Think that is a Gacchati only. Just I used a different Kriyapadam here because just to get another समानार्थक पदम अस्ति व्रजति इति गच्छति पदस्य समानार्थक पदम. So इदानीम् अहन्तु. अहन्तु means what? Ahantu.
Now. Now.
No, idanim is now. Idanim is now. Idanim is now. Tu is not now. Aham tu idanim vane eva vasami. Aham tu, you think like that in maybe in Hindi to. Maito. Maito abhi. Maito abhi one में रहूँगा. One में he. This is he. I don't know whether long he or short he, I don't know. Aham tu vane idanim vane eva vasami. चतुर्दश वर्षानन्तरम् अयोध्यां प्रत्यागच्छामि. So again, just we discussed already. Pratyagachami, where I am coming back to Ayodhya. Tada aham raja bhavami. So, Here I think I saw somebody writing bhavati. I don't know why. Because aham is there. Because aham, you should always write bhavami, not bhavati. Aham bhavami. Who is doing aham? Aham bhavami. Bharatah vadati he priya Rama bhavatah padatranam. He priya Rama Bharatah vadati. Bharata says, Hey हे राम प्रिय दिस पदम विशेषण पदम अस्ति राम पदस्य विशेषण पदम सो प्रिय आल्सो शुड बी संबोधनमेव संबोधनं कथं भवति रामपदस्य संबोधनं राम एव तथैव प्रियपदमपि प्रियपदं रामपदस्य विशेषणं सो रामपदं संबोधनं अस्ति इदानीं संबोधनरूपम् इति कारणात् प्रिय इति पदमपि संबोधनं रूपमेव भवेत् तत्र भवति देन् भवतः पादत्राणं भवतः षष्ठी विभक्ति भवतः पादत्राणं मीन्स पादुका मह्यं ददातु here I think there is I am going to unmute all of you in a minute.
Mama, I had written mama.
So wherever there is a dadatu dana kriya asti, so you have to ask kim dadati padatranam dadati. Now dadatu is a prarthana atra bharatah vadati bharatah prarthayati punah bharatah prarthanam karoti kim karoti dadatu iti prarthanam karoti. Dadatu means give it to me. So kim dadatu padatranam dadatu. Now kasmai dadatu, to whom it should be given. So that should be always chaturthi bhakti. Chaturthi is mahyam, not shashti bhakti. So bhavatah is already there here. Shashti bhavatah your bhavatah padatranam to whom? To mahyam dadatu. Tasya sahayena aham rajyapalanam karomi. That's fine. Ramah Bharataya. So here also you see here Bharataya is already there. Padatranam dadati. Dadati. Same thing again gives. Kim dadati padatranam. Kasmai dadati Bharataya dadati. Kaha dadati Ramah dadati. Bharatah Ramasya padatranam mastakasya upari dharati. So atra asmin vakye Bharatah Ramasya padatranam mastakasya upari dharati. This is simple. Like mastakasya was the word to be filled here. Again, this is smaranam, punasmaranam bhavatu iti. Etat esha prashna asti yatra. Mastakasya. Some people have written something different. Mastakam upari. So this way I have done. Wherever there is upari, adhaha, puratah, prushtataha, the associated word with that will be in the shashti vibhakti bhavati. Mastakasya upari dharati utpithikayaha adhaha bhavati. So this we have studied. We have done multiple homeworks on that. Upari adhaha. Okay. Then saha parivarena saha ayodhyam pratigacchati. So this is clear. Ramah Sitaya Lakshmanena saha cha saha anyatvanam rajati. So here also vanam rajati is like gacchati. Ataha vanam iti dvitiya bhakti asti atra. Okay, so I am going to unmute now. कश्चित् प्रश्नः अस्ति चेत् पृच्छतु इदानीं प्रश्नः अस्ति चेत्
only one doubt. Padatranam Bharata is the Visheshanam there.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, that is fourth fourth from last. Ramah Bharatapranam Dadadi. I wrote Bharatam. You are corrected is Bharataya.
Which one? Which sentence?
One, two, three, four, fifth one last. Fifth one from last.
Fifth?
Yeah,
line.
Rama Bharatam Padapranam Dadadi. I written like that. But you are correct is Bharataya Padapranam.
So
Bharataya is Shashti, sir?
No, Bharataya Katham Shashti.
Why it should not be Bharatam, sir? Because Padapranam is there, no? So it should be Bharatam. That's what I...
Okay. Bharataya. Okay. Bharataya Padasya. What is the vibhakti? Bharataya.
Chaturthi.
Karta Mahodaya. Ramaya Bharata Pranatana. So, if you write, suppose if you write Ramaha Bharatam, this is what we need to avoid that translation.
Yeah, that's what I am. Bharatam.
I'll tell you why. Ramaha Bharatam Padatranam Dadati. So this sounds logical because we have used to thinking like that in other languages. Maybe in English or I don't know. So Dadati. But remember in Sanskritam, these words are related by the vibhakti. So now, most of the times, when two words have the, remember that, most of the times, when two words have the same vibhakti, they become Visheshanam and Vishesham. Yeah. Or both becomes the Karma Padam. Yeah. So, Ramaha Dadati iti kriya iti asti kriya padam. So kim dadati? Kim means what he is giving? Padatranam, right?
Padatranam dadati.
Padatranam. So kim, if you ask kim, so that word tat padam tasya padasya vibhaktihi dvitiya vibhakti bhavati. Kim, if you ask the question kim, Ramaha kim dadati इति तस्य उत्तरं पदं द्वितीयाविभक्ति रूपं भवति यथा पादत्राणं. Now if you put Bharatam also in kim in द्वितीयाविभक्ति, that also means this is the answer for the kim, right?
Yeah.
So we don't want this to be the answer for the kim, so we want it to be the answer for the kasmai. Okay? So when we ask kasmai, means for whom? Yeah. Kasmai, that will be, that kasmai means the chaturthi vibhakti. Kasmai is the chaturthi. Yeah. Ramaha Bharataya Padatranam Dadati. In that, hold on, I need to mute many people.
Okay, understood, sir. Now I understand.
Yeah, so I was saying, so this is my request. I can say, if you do not mute after the question, I lose my gati. So I forget what I was saying. I have to go and find out where is it from, where the this I repeat every time. Only when you have a question, please unmute. Otherwise, it's disturbing and I lose my tempo. Keep on. Sudhir Mohdaya, please mute. And others also can't hear properly what other people are saying if everybody keeps unmuted. Sudhir Mohdaya, are you still unmuted? Are you still there with us? Or
I have muted, sir, already.
I don't know.
I'm muting again.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, so what I was saying, I wanted to say, yeah, the table that what Suresh Mohdaya prepared and we circulated in the WhatsApp, I will put that in the email also. In that, for that left first column, kaha, kim, kena, kasmai, kasmat, kasya, kasmin. So these are the question words which are given there. So there, purposely, we have not added, myself or Suresh Mohdaya, we have not added the English words there. We do not want to add English words there because that will confuse, that will defeat the purpose. We do not want to ask these questions in English and then get the answers. We want to know, everybody should know, and it will practice. It will take some time, it will practice to ask those questions in Sanskritam only. And we need to understand what they mean in Sanskritam. Because when we say kasmai means for what, that for what doesn't hold good everywhere. Okay? That is not that won't work everywhere. So that's why that English translations for that kaha, kim, kena, kasmai, they are not given there because we want to avoid them. Generally, okay, initially that in the previous slides also I have written them like for, by, whatever. Kena means by what. But we should disassociate those English meanings and start using these questions only in Sanskritam. And then it will take some time, that's fine. And as we read these stories and the conversation, sambhashanam, examples in our classes and also outside wherever you read it, then you will try to get that feeling of what is kasmai, what is kasmat. So that is I wanted to underline. So when you read, when you look at the table again, so just try to keep that Sanskrit words as it is. Okay, so here Anyat Vanam. Anybody? Ramaprasad Mohdaya. So Atra Vanam iti padasya lingam kim vibhaktihi. Ka, what is the vibhakti? And lingam Vanam padas. Ramah Sitaya Lakshmanena cha saha Anyat Vanam rajati. Ramaprasad Mohdaya.
Yeah, Guruji. It's Napumsakalingam, Guruji.
Yes, good. Uttamam. And vibhakti?
Vibhakti is Tritiya Vibhakti. Tritiya.
Ditiya?
Tritiya.
Tritiya. How is it Tritiya? So we have been talking here. Ramah Sitaya Lakshmanena cha saha Anyat Vanam rajati. Rajati अस्यार्थः गच्छति. Rajati means gacchati. Whenever there is gacchati, what should be the vibhakti?
द्वितीय
Ditiya.
द्वितीय
Ditiya, not tritiya. Ditiya. Vanam gacchati. Vanam rajati. So what is anyat now? Anyat padasya artha kaha?
It is different for the different vanams, no? Different
one. So anyat padasya lingam vachanam kim vibhakti? Lingam vachanam vibhakti?
Anyat is also napumsaka only.
Yes, very good. So because
yeah.
So either you can look up this word in dictionary or somewhere, or because it is obvious here, anyat is a visheshanam to vanam. Anyat is visheshanam to vanam. Like here, sarve, where is sarve? Sarve janaha. So sarve means all. Atra sarve is a visheshanam to janaha. That's why sarve is also pullinga prathama vibhakti bhuvachanam, like janaha. So janaha has two visheshanam here. One is sarve, other is rishtaha. Rishta is also pullinga prathama vibhakti bhuvachanam. Sarve pullinga prathama vibhakti bhuvachanam. Similarly, other anyat vanam, different vanam. So this anyat is also visheshanam to vanam. So anyat is used as a napumsakalingam prathama vibhakti, not prathama, ditiya, ekavachanam. So मध्ये अत्र कथायां मध्ये परिवारेण एतानि पदानि सन्ति अत्र. Like परिवारेण रामेण, where is रामेण? Somewhere. Ramayana. Then Parivarena, where is another ena? Lakshmanena. Lakshmanena. No, so Sudhir Mode.
Yes, sir.
Are you there? Yeah.
Yes,
so,
sir.
Can you recall or help us what we have discussed about this na? When will na become to na and remains na?
Yes. When the preceding words are ra, then it becomes the na becomes na, and
okay.
If ru or sha is there, then it becomes na becomes na.
Yeah. So whether for example, atra parivarena. So parivara plus na was there, then this na becomes na, because here there is a ra. Preceding is ra iti varna asti, aksharam, varna. So before the na, ra should be there. That sha ru we'll see later. Okay, sha ru is also correct. That is the rule. Either sha ru or ra, one of them should be there before na, then it will turn to na. And when else? What are the other second rule?
If it is a ka varg, pa varg, then
ka
also
varga.
Ka varg, pa varg, ya, ha.
Yeah, good. Ka varga, pa varga. Ka varga means which are the letters? Varna hake santi.
Ka, ga, ha, yuga.
Ka, ga, ga, na. Pa varge.
pa pha ba pha ma.
Ma or ya la va ha.
Ha.
So where this should be present?
This in the anywhere. I mean, it should be in the middle
In between.
word, or I mean, need not be preceding middle word. Would do.
Ra has to be there somewhere in the word. In the entire word, Ra has to be there. Like not Parivarana, like Ramayana. For example, Ramayana. So your Ra is there somewhere.
Yes. Yes.
But in between, and the Na is at the end. Na is like Ra, Me, and then there is a Na is a suffix. So here the Na is at the end, and in between Ra and Na, there is what? The Ma. Ma comes in the Pavarga. Pa pa ba ba ma. So then the Na becomes Na.
Yes.
Yeah, these are the simple rules for now.
Right.
Also, I think somebody had a question. Somebody had a question. Like this Na, note that is Na in the examples we have seen, whatever we have seen so far in the Na seems to be at the end, but it is not always at the end. It could be in the middle also. There also this rule applies. Okay? So other example we are seeing here is Padatranam. Trana is at the end here. No. Tra. So here ta, what is Trana? Ta plus Ra plus Na. Ta plus Ra is Tra. Then there is Na. So here it is immediately preceding the immediately preceding the Na. Na varnasya purvam. Na varnat purvameva kim asti? Na varnat purvam refaha. Refa means Ra iti varnaha asti. Ra, if you recall very first or second class we did, like about when I think this is the 26th class we are having.
Also sha lu. That also it was. Immediately before sha or lu, then also we should use na.
Not lu. Ru.
Yeah, lu. And sha also.
Yeah, sure. Also. So I was saying, I was talking about Refa. Today's 26th.
Yeah.
26th class. That is good, right? Half 6 months already. 6 months passed. So do you, if you remember those classes initially we had, the letters we talked about the Varna. Ka iti shabdaha, iti shabdaha, shabda means sound, sound. What do we call it? Akara means what? Sound. Right? A sound is akara. E sound is ikara. Ikaraha. Similarly, ka sound is called ka. The Vyanjana ka sound is called kakara. Okay? Not the Sanyuktakshara. This ka plus a is ka. This is different. This is ka. This is not called kakara. This Vyanjanam, just Vyanjanam ka, that sound without a, is called kakara. Okay? Kakaraha. So this is what we call. So we can call it ka varnaha or kakaraha. So similarly, ga varnaha or ga sound is called gakaraha. Gakara means just ga vyanjanam. Ga sound. But so all these words are all these sounds or the vyanjanam or the swaras they are referred by adding the kara at the end. Kara means sound. Akara, ikara, ukara, rukara, etc. But this, where there is a r sound, it is not called rakara. This is just a tradition. Okay? It's not called rakara, but it is called refa. This is a refa. This is a tradition. Refa means r sound. Right. Just for your information. So, yeah. So here, Padatrana. In Padatrana, ta is there, ra is there, ra is there, and there is a na comes as a suffix. Na changes to na. Nakarasya. Nakara means what? Na. This na letter. Nakarasya parivartanam bhavati nakare. Na. Iti parivartanam bhavati. Because, why? Kimartham? Because there is a ra before that. Padatranam. What about this Lakshmanena? Lakshmane atra na asti. And na. So does this change to na? Nakare parivartanam bhavati va na bhavati. Sandhya Bhagini. Turn everybody off.
So can I say that?
Lakshmana.
Can I say the rules, sir?
Yeah, but where is Sandhya Bhagini? You see there? Unmute. Samya Bhagini.
Mahoday.
Prashna asti Lakshmane na.
It's la plus ka plus sh, then ma and na. So because of sh, it will change to na. And because the ma is there in the middle, which is pa varga, it will change to na.
Which will change to na?
The Lakshmane, that first na.
No, we are talking about the end. There is another na.
There it will not change. That will not change because there is no ka varga, pa varga, yara, la, va, ha. If those were there, then it could have changed, but it won't change.
So asya parivartanam na bhavati. Lakshmana, because of nakara. This nakara acts as this prohibits the na, this na changing to na.
No.
Because this na doesn't belong to kavarga or pavarga.
Correct.
Astu dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah, Mahoday.
So, okay. Any other questions on this, or can we move forward? Agre saramaha. Okay. Astu.
Agre saratu. I hope I can say agre saratu.
Saratu. Saratu.
Saratu.
Yes. Agre saratu. Agre kim asti pashyamah. Agre. This all we have seen. This we have seen. Did you see this? Patata patanti. This is taranti. We have seen that. Now, there are some other words. Like we have seen Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. This Akaranta Pullinga Ekavachanam, Bhavachanam. We have seen that. Like Ashwaha, like this Ashwaha, Ashwa, Ashwaha. Sainika, Sainikau, Sainikaha. and also at the top upari asti atra kim kaha kau ke, this also I have seen kaha kau ke, and also eshah etau ete. I hope you are all familiar with this, at least these ones. Like this we are already practiced, like akaranta pullinga padasya ekavachanam dvivachanam तथा बहुवचन रूपम एतस्य अभ्यासः जातः, means that practice is over now. अकारंत पुल्लिंग एकवचनम बहुवचनम and द्विवचनम also. Ashwa, like this, ashwah ashwau, ramah ramau, khagaha khagau. So that we saw with the using kriya padam also. So now this is the base. So like how to use with the ekavachanam nama padam, ekavachana kriya padam, dvivachana nama padam, dvivachana kriya padam, bahuvachana nama padam, bahuvachana kriya padam. So this is the important thing, and this thing you have practiced already. But what we have practiced so far is akaranta pullinga on the namapada side, akaranta pullinga rupani. So only thing is, the next thing is we can see the other words also, other lingas, like Rama shabdasya ekavachana dvivachana bahuvachanam. What are the words? Vana is Napunsakalinga Shabdaha. Tasya ekavachanam dvivachanam bahuvachana rupam. When prathama vibhakti rupani. Guru Shabdasya ekavachanam dvivachanam bahuvachanam. Hari Shabdasya similarly. Nadi Shabdasya, Mati Shabdasya, Dhenu Shabdasya ekavachana bahuvachana, dvivachana bahuvachana. So along with this, kriyapada rupani samanam. Kriyapada like pathati, we have seen Ramaha pathati, Ramau pathatah, Ramaha pathanti. So similarly, what will become now? Rama. What will become Rama? With the Rama, Rame, Ramaha. This is the akaranta strilinga shabdaha, Rama. Ekavachana rupam Rama, dvivachana rupam Rame, bahuvachana rupam Ramaha. So how do we use the kriyapada with these words? Okay, Suresh Mahodaya, आरम्भं करोतु. Rama,
Yes, sir.
Rama लिखति पदं किं भवति? Rama द्विवचन रूपं
Rama likati, Rame likatah, Rama likanti.
रमाः लिखन्ति. Rama लिखति, Rame लिखतः, Ramaः लिखन्ति. So what Suresh Mahodaya said, likhati, likhatah, likhanti. So the kriyapada rupam will remain same. Whether it is pullingam, namapadam can be pullingam, or namapadam can be strilingam, or namapadam can be napunsakalingam. Does not matter. Kriyapadam will not change based on the lingam. So kriyapadam will change based only on vachanam and who is doing it. So atra Ramah pathati or likhati, Rama likhati. So all this ekavachana rupani santi atra, all this pathati, likhati, ekavachana, right? So these all go with this words. Rama pashyati or vanam kim bhavati? Vanam bhavati. Vanam bhavati. Guruhu something. Guruhu tishtati. So all these ekavachan rupam of kriyapada will apply to this column because all these are ekavachanam. So similarly, dvivachana rupam bhavati chet, dvivachanam kim bhavatra, pathati becomes pathatah, likhati likhatah, pashyati pashyatah, hasati hasatah. So they all go with this dvivachanam. and then bahuvachan rupani, like bahuvachan rupam asti chet pathanti, and similarly you already know the bahuvachan rupam, so they all go with this last column, ramaha pathanti, ramaha pathanti. So vanam, vane, vanani, so these are the simple words. So now let's take phala shabda. Okay, Suresh Mohoday, phala shabdasya ekavachana rupam kim?
फलम्
Phalam. तस्य वाक्यस्य उदाहरणं किं? क्रियापदम् अपि वदतु, क्रियापदं किं भवति? फलं किं करोति? Either this or any other word also, no problem. Any other kriyapadam or this kriyapadam, one of these.
फलं पतति
Phalam patati. Phalam patati.
Khadati.
Phalam
Khadati.
खादति
khadati. No. Kah khadati. Kah khadati. Mohoday, kah khadati. Karta Mohoday.
Phalam khadati.
No, kah khadati. Khadati. Kah khadati.
Aham or saha or.
Saha khadati. No, saha kim khadati. Saha kim khadati.
Saha phalam khadati.
Saha phalam khadati. So what is the difference between this sentence and this sentence in phalam? Phalam patati, saha phalam khadati. So here phalam padasya vibhaktihi ka. Atra द्वितीय वाक्ये फलं पदस्य विभक्तिः का?
Yeah, for khadati there is a karta, but for patati phalam itself is the karta.
For patati phalam is the karta, and for khadati what is the phalam?
For khadati uttav prathama purush is a karta.
Yeah, pratham purush is okay, but what is phalam? Phalam is it karta or karma?
Karma.
Karma, sir.
So here
Karma.
What is the vibhakti of phalam? In the first one, phalam patati. Here it is karta. So what is the vibhakti?
Ditya.
No, karta. So phalam is doing the work.
Ditya vibhakti. This is Pradhama vibhakti. Ditya vibhakti. Phalam is Ditya vibhakti.
Yeah. Then so phalam patati, here it is prathama. Because phalam eva patati. Phalam itself is falling. Right?
Yes, correct.
Ashmitan Mohoday.
Correct.
Prathama because phalam patati. Phalam is karta. And here phalam saha is karta here. Saha karta. And phalam khadati. Here phalam is karma padam. Here it is ditya vibhakti. Ditya. So now, what?
Very subtle differences.
Yeah. So here, what Suresh Mohoday was saying, phalam patati. Iti Suresh Mohodayasya vakyam. Phalam patati. Dvivachanam bhavati chet katham? Suresh Mohoday.
Phale, atataha, phalani, patanti.
Phale. Phale. Why is it phale? Because we are looking at vana, like vana. This, like this. Vanam was phalam, like prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Prathama vibhakti dvivachanam is vane. So like that phale. Phale, then what becomes? Patatah. This dvivachana kriyapadarupam, you all know that. Patatah, anusarataha, taratah. So that is what? Gachatah. Like that, patatah. Phale patatah. Phale, because it is dvivachanam. Yeah, don't think that this is a saptami. It looks like saptami. Yeah? Like Rame. Actually, vana shabdasya saptami vibhakti is also same. Right? If you look at the vana table or phala table, saptami is also vane, vane vasami. Like that, we saw that in the Ayodhya Kandam story. Rama vadati aham vane eva vasami. So there, vane is saptami. But here, dvivachanam is also same, vane. So looking at the vakyam, or not vakyam, actually what the person is trying to say, sandarbha, then only you will be able to know what vibhakti it is, what it is trying to say. Vanani, phalani.
Phalani patanti.
Patanti.
Patanti. Let me write it here. Phalani patanti. Okay. So other one is other Napumsakalinga example is gruham. Okay. Gruham. Gruham means, gruham means house, home. Bhavanam, gruham. Another word for gruham is geham. Okay. Both are same. Gruham. Now taking the gruham as the example, udaharanam. Ekam gruham. Okay, there is one house. So dvivachanam kim katham bhavati dvivachana rupam gruham padasya
Grahe.
Gruhe. And bahuvachanam
Graghaha.
oh napumsakalinga shabd.
Gruhani.
Napumsakalinga shabdah. What should it be?
Gruhani. Na changes to na because of ga and hai.
Yeah. So yeah, say that rule again. How does it na changes to ni?
There is a
There is no R.
Only R.
Correct. In the gru there is ga and plus there is ru. This is ru. Because of the ru triggers the process of changing the ni to ni, but in between there is something here. So now it has to look at what is in between. There is a ha. So we have seen that ha. If it is ha, then okay, pass. Yeah. So ni will change to ni. Gruhani. So now gruhani, we want to say they are beautiful. Gruham sundaram. Okay. Gruham ekam gruham. There is one gruham, means there is one home. Gruham. So we will say sundaram, because sundaram is visheshanam. So sundaram, sundari, sundaraha, sundaraha ramaha, sundari balika, sundaram gruham. Now there are two of them. Now what are we going to say? Gruhe, visheshana padam. Lingam, vachanam, vibhakti, same. So lingam, sundaram, we know it is a napumsaka lingam. Vibhakti is same. We are using Prathama Vibhakti. Now, Vachanam, how we are going to change this?
Sundare.
Sundare. Good. Sundare. Gruham, Gruhe, Sundare. Now, Gruhani, Bahuvachanam.
Sundarani. Now we again change. Sundarani.
Sundarani. Because atra ra refah asti atra. Ra iti varnah. Sundarani. Grahani Sundarani. Okay. Agrima Vakyam. So who else is there? Who else is there so far? Ramaprasad has done. Is Sandhya Bhagini back? Yeah. Vadato Bhagini. Sandhya Bhagini. Guru who?
Mahoday?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Guruhu iti padam asti ekavachanam.
Guruhu chalati?
Guruhu chalati. Dvivachanam guru.
Guru chalatau.
Chalatana. What? Kriyapadam. Think of Kriyapadam.
Chalataha.
Chalataha.
Sorry. Chalataha.
Yeah, this actually this thing I have found in one or two homeworks last time. This instead of Kriyapadam, when it is like a Dvivachanam is Chalataha should be. Some of them, one or two, not many, they had written Chalatau. There was some confusion. So this, remember this Chalatau, Chalatau is a Kriyapadam. It doesn't become like Ramau. So Kriyapada Rupam will remain same, like Chalati, Chalataha, Chalanti, Pathati, Pathataha, Pathanti. So this is not a Visheshanam. Kriyapadam is not Visheshanam. Kriyapadam is the action, verb, separate. So it will not change the Vachanam Vibhakti Lingam like Visheshanam. Okay, Bahuvachanam asti chet, Bahuvachanam.
Guruvaha chalanti.
Punah vadatu.
Guravaha chalanti.
Guravaha chalanti. What is the next word? Harihi. Harihi.
Harihi.
Hari.
Pibati.
Pibati. Hari pibati. Dvivachanam.
Hari pibataha.
Bahuvachanam.
Haryaha pibanti.
Punah vadatu.
Haryaha pibanti. Harayaha. Sorry.
Harayaha.
Harayaha pibanti.
Harayaha pibanti. Nadi.
Nadi vahati. Nadhyau vahataha. Nadhyaha vahanti.
Okay. Agrima shabdaha. Matihi.
Mati. Mati ityukte?
Buddhihi.
Oh.
So note that Matihi is a Strilinga Shabda. I think it should be here on the list here. Strilinga. Mati. So here Mati is there. Okay. If you want other Anyani Rupani, if you want to look at them, so you can go to this table. Mati. Mati is what? Ajanta means Swara. Ach is Swara. Strilinga Shabda. Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Mati. Okay. Matihi. Ekavachanam. Matihi kim karoti?
Chalati. Chalati.
Chalati.
Bhavati.
Bhavati?
Yeah, bhavati. Okay.
Sochati is a word in Sanskrit.
Not sochi. Chintayati.
Chintayati.
Mati chintayati. Mati chintayatah. Matayah chintayanti. Wrong. Astu, dhanyawada. And last three, who wants to do it?
I can do it. Ikshanati.
Dhenuhu. Suresh Madhav.
Dhenuhu kadati. Dhenuhu kadatah. Dhenavaha kadanti.
Kim khadati?
Jalam kadati.
Lakshmikant.
Trunam kadati. Jalam kadati.
Jalam.
Dalam leaves.
Paranam. Trunam khadati. Trunam is a Napumsakalinga shabd. Okay? Like vanam. Okay. Dhenu. Trunam khadata. Okay. Pitru. Pitru shabda.
Pitalikati.
Pitalikati.
Pita hasati. Pitarau hasataha. Pitaraha hasanti.
Antyama shabdah.
Mata davati. Matarau davataha. Mataraha davanti.
So technically, okay, we can keep practicing this, but since we have done and you have some idea and fairly good idea about in the Ekavachanam, what is the context of different vibhaktis, like Prathama vibhakti, Ditya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami, etc. Right? Shashti means mama, something belonging to somebody. Mama phalam, like that. So Saptami is in what some kriya is going on. Vane vasati. Similarly, naukaya tarati. So these different vibhakti contexts you know already. In the Ekavachanam, you have done that. Only thing the practice you have to do is, which we'll do a little bit, but also you can start doing it yourself by looking at in the books or otherwise also. And when you read these different shlokas or other stories somewhere, you should be able to get an idea now, because only thing is the vachana is changing, the context will not change. For example, balakasya kandukah asti. So like that, if you do that, now what is the bahuvachana rupam of balakasya, that you can look up easily. There are tables. So balakasya becomes balakanam. So if you come across any such words in a story or a shloka, now you should be, in theory at least, you should be able to understand, because you know the context now. So only thing is that you can go to either this website or any book you have for the rupas and look at the tables. So there you will find Balakanam as the Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachana Rupam or Ramanam. So Balakanam Kandukaha means the Kanduka is of many Balakas. Similarly, there could be Dvivachanam also. Like Dvivachanam, for example, Dvivachanam, Dvitiya Bhakti will be Pitarau. So let's say Pitarau here. Pitarau Namami could be the sentence. Pitarau Namami means I am going to two fathers, or it could be Mata and Pita together becomes Pitarau also. Or if you have got a uncle and father standing together, Pitarau Namami. Then Pitaraha, many father figures are standing. Pitaraha namami. So only thing is the context will remain same, but the only the vachanam and lingam might be different. So that is very strong position now for you to understand different contexts. Only thing is that the different lingam, the words will appear based on the lingam and the vachanam. So if you know the padasya roopam, like nadhyaha means bahuvachanam. Similarly, what is the dvivachanam, Ditya Vibhakti bahuvachanam of nadi? It will be nadihi. If you look up, we'll look at them later. But just in case, this should be understandable to you. Nadihi. Whenever you see nadihi shabda in some sentence, if you look up, then it becomes a Ditiya bahuvachanam. So now you know what is the Ditiya bahuvachanam context. Ditiya context is a karma padam. So what it means in a sentence, that you will be able to understand.
For Shashti Vibhakti, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam are same?
No, Shashti Vibhakti, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam are different. But
so Balakadam is Bahuvachanam now?
Yes.
So what is the Dvivachanam for?
Dvivachanam is Balakayoho. Dvivachanam of Shashti and Saptami are same. Dvivachanam is same. Dvivachanam is simple.
Okay.
Dvivachanam of Shashti Saptami is same. And Dvivachanam of Pratama Sambodhanam and Ditiya is same. Dvivachanam of Tritiya Chaturthi Panchami is same. It's not hard. Here it is same. No, this is for Akaranta Pullinga. It's not same. This will hold good for, I think, at least this will hold good for all the words, and this will hold good for all the words. But otherwise, it is not difficult. For other like Akaranta Strilinga, Ikaranta Strilinga, Ikaranta Pullinga, so the Rupa or the forms will be different, but the context will remain same. You can understand Tritiya, Chaturthi, etc. Chaturthi is one what context? Receiving context. Dana is happening, somebody is giving, so receiving. Most of the times. Like, this is a general rule. Again, there are some other meanings also for each of these vibhaktis, which will eventually look at them. Okay, any other question?
Sir, our question is that table.
Huh? This one?
The table. I mean, no, the other one. Yeah. Pitru, Pita, there is no visarga. Any specific reason for not being visarga not being there?
No. There is no reason. Man. Because these words are not made up words. Like, these are the words in the language. So if you look at the Pita Shabdasya Mula Padam Pitru. So look at the Pitru. So why there is no Visarga, I don't know. Probably nobody knows. It's how the language words are there in the language.
Okay.
No, in that Bahuvachanam is Visarga is there.
Yeah.
Pitaraha.
Yes. Okay, so if you really want to move fast, in the sense, not in the class, in the sense, in the language learning, start going through these different tables and start remembering them, and if you can by heart them, it's much better. or at least say the each table like 2 or 3 times a day. That will be so you'll easily remember them.
It's going to take some time, Mahoday, to remember all the akaranta, ukaranta, ikaranta. Then everything changes, right?
Yeah. That's why now we used to, and people used to.
Yeah.
Also, they do. They just do Kantasthikaranam.
What's that?
Pratama and Sambodhana is very easy, but other vibhaktis are a little difficult.
Yes.
Kantasthikaranam means, what do you call in English?
Kantasthikaranam. I don't know.
Getting by heart.
Yeah, by heart. Yeah.
Oh, memorize it.
Yeah, memorize it.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's the best way.
Yeah. So you can keep on reading, and then we'll try to guess them at some after 4 or 5 years. But
I was also
if
wondering,
you want to move fast, that is the better way. Huh?
If we read some shlokam and try to understand that way, does that help? Like if like Bhagavad Gita or something, and you have a translation, word by word translation, will that help in understanding better? Yeah,
that should be done now. That reading should start like the shloka, or that is why we are reading the stories also. So read the stories, then you come across these different forms, then you can reverse look up into the tables. But if you want to every time avoid looking up the tables, and then also when basically we want to start talking, right? That's our goal.
Correct.
Yeah, at least few sentences. So if you want to start talking, first we need to know these forms. So,
right.
Yeah,
when you said Nadihi, I had no clue what Nadihi was. I had to look up the table. That's
right.
why I was.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
So, okay.
Okay. Dhanyavada Mahoday.
Namaskar.
Shubhratri.
Shubhratri.
Namaskara.